Dear students, welcome to science class. Today we will do an activity on separation technique. As there are different methods to separate different components, today we will see the filtration technique, which is used to separate the heterogeneous mixture. Like here we have taken sand particles, a beaker having water, filter paper and a funnel. So first of all we make solution of sand and water. So we see that here we take some sand particles and mix it. So which type of solution it is? It is a heterogeneous mixture because here you can see the sand particles easily and they are not uniformly distributed. So to separate such type of mixture, we use filtration method. For that, we have to take filter paper, fold it from the diameter and then again fold it from ranges. So here you can see, and by opening a fold, we make a cone. Fix it on the filter paper, a funnel, and keep it on the beaker. Now, to separate the sand from the water particle, we put all the mixture into the filter paper slowly. And here you can see that the water is coming down and the sand particle are filtered with the help of filter paper. Here you can see the sand particles. Because the size of sand particle is quite larger and it is a heterogeneous mixture, so it can be easily separated with the help of filter paper, and this technique is called filtration. So here you can see that sand particles remain on the filter paper and the clear water fall down slowly with the help of funnel. Thank you. We do an activity that is based on the sublimation process. The separation technique is using here sublimation. In this process, we have a mixture of common salt and ammonium chloride. And now we have to separate it. So for that, the material required are the tripod stand. This is wire gauze, ammonium chloride, sodium chloride, a funnel and a china dish. So here is a china dish. We take ammonium chloride with the help of a spatula. And sodium chloride and mix it. Now we have to separate it, and this can be done with the help of the process sublimation. Sublimation is a process in which solid gets directly converted into vapor. So here a substance, that is ammonium chloride, which converts directly into vapor, and when we heat it, so on heating, we see that ammonium chloride is directly converted into vapor and the salt remained as it is on the china dish. So it takes time, and cover the china dish with the help of funnel. When the vapors start coming, so cover it and watch it for some time. We see that on heating the ammonium chloride is starting vaporizing. Now with the help of funnel we collect the vapors coming from the ammonium chloride and cover the top with the help of cotton or some paper. Wait for some time and observe carefully. So basically this is an activity or this is the technique which we are using to separate two components. One that is directly on heating is directly converted into vapor and another is doesn't change. So we use sublimation process here. Slowly the vapors are coming from the china dish and they are collecting with the help of funnel. Inside the funnel the vapors are collecting inside the funnel. So what will happen? All the vapors are collected inside it, and when we remove the funnel, after some time we see that the white crystals of ammonium chloride are found stick around it. Like that. Here you can see the solidified ammonium crystal, or that is called camphor, that directly converted into vapor on heating, and vapors are directly converted into solid on cooling. Generally we use wire gauze at the top of tripod stand, but it takes lot of time, so that's why I'm directly using the china dish on tripod stand. It takes some time. Now if we remove the china dish, we see that crystals of ammonium chloride are slowly appearing on the surface inside the funnel. So in this way we can separate the ammonium chloride from the sodium chloride. As sodium chloride doesn't evaporate, it remains as it is on the china dish, whereas the ammonium chloride vaporizes and we collect the vapors. So here we see the crystals of ammonium chloride and we can separate it with the help of spatula.